everyone, it's Miss Casey. Today I'm coming to you with a science experiment. So we're going to be using Skittles today and water, and we're going to combine them and see what happens. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Skittles on my plate, and I'm going to try to make them into a little circle. I'm going to try to have not have two colors the same right next to each other. I have more of some colors and less of others, so let's see what we can do. All right, so we're gonna put them in a circle. All right, does anyone have any guesses what you think is gonna happen when you combine the Skittles with the water? If you have a guess, shout it out, tell your parents. All right, so I'm gonna try to move this a little bit better so you can see it a little bit better. Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna take my water. I'm gonna pour it on top of the Skittles. We're gonna see what happens when we combine the water with the Skittles. All right, so we're gonna give it a couple seconds so that it can react with the water and see what happens. Ooh, so far it's looking really cool, and it looks like something is happening with the color of the Skittles in the water. Very, very cool. All right, so I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to show you at the end what it looks like. Be right back. All right, everyone, this is what happened. So when you combine water with Skittles, some of the color runs off into the water and you get this really cool tie-dye effect. And this is something that you could really easily do by yourself at home if you have Skittles. All right, that's our science experiment for the day. Bye.